commuters have facilitated will return to your final destination. We know we're looking for volunteer passengers who's willing to check in at the risk of their carry-on baggage.
Hi everyone! Right now, nandito ako sa Terminal 2 and uuwi ako ng Iloilo kasi tomorrow is Father's Day. Pero, Dad has no clue na uuwi ako ng Iloilo kasi alam niya, nandito lang ako sa Manila until August. Kaya, I'm going to surprise him.
Sino yung guide? Sabi ko, kung pinapita yun, no? Sabi nila yung guide, ano rin? Parang galit din sa kanya. Oo nga, wala sa
Sa room. Kakarating ko lang sa bahay and it's way past midnight. Huwag niyo natanungin kung anong oras kasi I have no idea. At buti na lang hindi nagising si Dad kasi pumasok ako ng kwarto to get a few of my things. Thank you po Mama Ann for the Father's Day gift for Dad. Matutuwa siya nito. For tonight, sa guest room muna ako matutulog kasi Dad is occupying my room. Currently, it's 9 a.m. and nakatanggap ako ng message kay Dad at akala niya nasa Manila ako. Pero wala talaga siyang idea na nandito ako sa kwarto. Kaya quiet lang kayo guys. time check, it's already 10 a.m. and nagpa-prepare si Dad going to church, and ako, nandito pa ako sa kwarto kasi kapag lalabas ako, baka makita niya ako. And he already saw the video na ginawa ko a few weeks ago. Siguro sa church na kami magkikita. Kaya abangan nyo na lang, guys. Happy Father's Day, Dad! I miss you. Kamusta ka na? I hope you're doing great. And thank you for being the best father in the world. Ayan, sorry, hindi ako makakauwi dyan ngayon kasi sobrang busy dito sa music school. Sobrang lapit na kasi ng recital, kaya jump pa kami sa mga rehearsals. Anyway, sana ma-enjoy mo yung surprise ko, and I can't wait to see you again very, very soon. I love you, Dad!
Han ko.
I'll see you guys sa church. Mag-prepare muna ako. Kahapon, ito yung pasalubong na dinala ko from Manila. Ayan. Hindi ito masyado nakain, pero mamaya I'm sure ubos ito sa amin. Hindi pa ako nagba-breakfast eh. This one is the ube ensaymada. Uy, favorite ni Dad to ah. Talaga wala siyang kaalam-alam na nandito ako, paano nakarating ang contest dito. Like, what? Anyways. On the way na kami to the church. I'll see you there.
Grabe ka naman.
Ayan, guys, surprise success. Wala talagang kaalam.
Happy Father's Day, boss!
Happy Father's Day, boss! Happy Father's
Na-prank ka, boss, no?
Thank
Na-surprise
you
ka na
rin kay ate for helping us. O, diba? Yan. That ends our vlog. Si Keisha. Si Manang Bing. Ayan.